Bloodworth Law is a 2022 U.S. News & World Report Best Law Firm in Orlando for trusts and estates litigation, commercial litigation, and real estate litigation. Managing Partner L. Reed Bloodworth and the Bloodworth Law Employment Team handle employment litigation cases and answer questions for aerospace, engineering, medical, technology, manufacturing, and many other Florida businesses. Take this employment law quiz for Florida employers to find out whether your company may want to check in with an attorney. Question number 1. Which Florida employers have to pay employee the minimum hourly wage of $10 per hour? Answer: all Florida employers have to pay minimum wage, public, private, and businesses of all size. Question number 2. How much will the minimum hourly wage increase annually? Answer: the minimum wage will increase by $1 per hour annually through the year 2026. Question number 3. Are Florida employers required to report hiring independent contractors who make over $600 in a year? Yes, as of October 1, 2021, Florida law requires all employers receiving services from any non-employee paid $600 or more in a calendar year to report the independent contractor to the State Directory of New Hires just as they would an employee. Here are several other questions Florida employers may have to address. Question number 4. What are the rights of LGBTQ+ employees in Florida? Question 5. Can Florida employers offer additional benefits to top employees only? Question number 6. Who is responsible if a customer harasses one of your employees? Question number 7. Can you fire an employee who is out on family or medical leave if they have a history of work issues? Question number 8. What is a reasonable accommodation for employees with disabilities? Question number 9. What is the first step Florida employers must take when there is a request for an accommodation by persons with a disability, employee or customer? Question number 10. If you have less than 15 employees, can you still be held liable for discrimination or harassment in Florida? Will you wait until there's a major employment issue at your business before having an attorney address your questions? Talk with Reed Bloodworth and the Bloodworth Law Employment Team about your employees and your company so you understand Florida laws and how they apply to your business.